Hello friends, welcome to Software Testing Tech. Our today's topic is binary language. So let's get understand what is a binary language and why it is important for computer communication. Let's get started. So to understand the binary language, binary data, let us consider a scenario. A user is actively acting on a keyboard. User wants to type a hello keyword and get interact with the computer application inside the computer system. So user typed hello keyword with the help of the keyboard. Then what actually happened, which will convert the hello keyword or keys pressed by the user into the respective understandable format of computer. So let us consider in this way that hello keyword is typed by the user. As soon as user typed hello keyword from the keyboard, each and every character after pressing from the keyboard get converted into respective ASCII code. So as H is pressed by the user, E is pressed by the user, and all these five characters are pressed by the user with the help of keyboard. All these characters one by one get converted into their respective ASCII code. So question might arise, who convert this into the ASCII code? And what is an ASCII code? ASCII code is nothing but the American Standard Code of Information Interchange. Once the keyboard received key pressing action from the user, it get converted into each and every character get converted into ASCII code, and that ASCII code is nothing but the binary data. So question might arise here is, what is a binary data and why the respective values of hello get converted into binary data only? Why not into another data or another language format? Because one thing we should understand, that computer understand the binary data. Binary data means a binary language, which is our today's topic. So what is a binary data or binary language? One should understand, so binary data or binary language consists only zeros and ones. So let's get understand first what is a binary language or binary data, and are there any other number systems also present? Then why only a binary language is selected for the computer communication and why it is so important? Let's get understood in our next slide. So binary number system, as we discussed, it is one of the number systems. So there are other number systems are also present, and which are those? Let's get them list out one by one. So as we discuss, binary number system is one of the number system and which is important for the computer communication. There are several other number systems also present. Those are, for example, second one is a octal number system. Third place we have a decimal number system, and on the fourth place we have hexadecimal number system. So let's get differentiate between these number systems. So binary number system, as the name itself consists a by word. By indicates two. So here first understood that each and every number system are categorized by the number of digits only. Categorized on the basis of number of digits. One might ask a question, what is a digits or what is a character? Digits and characters are nothing but the single bit representation or single character or digit that characterized or that is used by the number system to represent a data. For example, binary number system is having a two-digit representation of data. And what are the two digits? Those two digits are 0 and 1. So binary number system uses two digits 0 and 1, and hence its name is binary. Bi means two because it is only using two digits or two character to represent any kind of data. So from here you can understand any kind of data that is maybe a text, audio, video, anything is converted into only 0 and 1 coding, and that is fed to the computer, because computer is also having a binary number system or binary language. So let's switch over to another languages or another number system. Octal is having 8 number of digits or characters to represent its data, and those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly, decimal is having 10 digits or characters to represent its data or the numbers. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Similarly, hexadecimal number system using or uses 16 digits or characters to represent a data or a number, and those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F up to this. So one might ask a question that after the 9, what are these? These are also a part of hexadecimal number system. So we have learned there are different number systems like binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal, and each number system is having their number of digits to represent the data, and they are categorized on the basis of number of digits only. So this is the reason every time what we see a number system to be having a part of role in representing a data, and every time we see a computer data is represented in the form of binary language. This is the reason behind it. As we discuss, every data is converted into the 0 and 1s. We know or we discuss that computer is using only a binary language, and that is the main reason that a text, audio or video or any kind of information get converted into a binary data, which is a computer understandable format. So from this video, I hope you all will understood what is a binary language and what is the importance of binary language in computer communication. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching the video.